Welcome to Spring LIB.
To calculate the grams of oxygen that were introduced, we first need to know the moles of oxygen that were introduced. The moles of oxygen can be calculated knowing the moles of helium, assuming that the volume and the temperature of the flask are the same. This way, a ratio of moles is equal to a ratio of partial pressures. So we were given the two partial pressures. We have a pressure of oxygen of 158 torr and that of helium of 42.5 torr. So this ratio will be equal to the ratio of moles. The moles of oxygen, which we don't know, corresponding to this partial pressure, divided by the moles of helium, which we can calculate, corresponding to this partial pressure. We can calculate the moles of helium by taking the mass and dividing by its molar mass. Rearrangement gives us moles of oxygen being equal to 1.319. We then multiply this by the molar mass of oxygen to calculate the grams of oxygen that were introduced, 42.2 grams.